Fresh footage on the new phone. It's gonna be a good day. So this is his little dry creek tour. Dry creek's like a little spot where we go off-road in mud and whatnot. Yeah, he needs to go ahead and get this thing ready. See, we are posted in the homie shop. Oh my God, his Z06 is so nice. But today we'll put some goodies on this car right here. Some of the goodies we got right here. He's got those new, the C8 tail lights and the Z06 style, which is nice. And we also got to put on this right here. He's got his catch cam, which is the Mishimoto catch cam. It's actually really nice quality. I really do like the black that nice on this. It should be pretty simple too, so let's see if we can do this quick install because I'm gonna have to go back home soon.
Damn, bro. Kind of.
Yeah, I'm trying to get it to where it's a good angle too. This should be a good angle. Got her on off finally. All to change the tail lights. Get the whip sitting clean out there.
Sit on the stand. You got one over there? Here, I got the bumper. Don't let it get like a quarter. Press.
Oh, damn, it didn't come out. This fucking.
Gotta press that button. Press that button right there. No.
On the top.
Right there. Pull.
When that motherfucker.
There you go.
Lights, fool.
There you go. We'll snap that back in. Come on.
There it is.
There it is.
Gotta lay it out.
That's some gloves up there. You can check there.
That's smart ass smart.
And now it's time. Dive into the new news. Oh, look at him. Look at him. Sheesh. It's almost so much better than those. And like I said, we also got side markers. We're gonna try to change out. Look at the side markers. Still sitting in the
How many
bumper.
side marker lights you got? Go ahead and put them in.
Damn. Hand me that.
Let loose good. Huh?
Yeah. Yo.
What the fuck going on?
Don't make a bit of front runs in.
Alright.
Okay. Yeah.
I was say, because they didn't say fitting back here.
Yeah, my boy's shop is shop goals for real. Like, it's perfect. I would love. And then look at this Z06, dude. It's so nice. This literally is I think it's heads cam intake car. It's fully built. It's ridiculous, dude. It's so fast. And it's like pushing. It's like the highest horsepower Z06 that DBR has. Like heads cam intake Z06 that DBR is like done. So it's wild. I'm trying to get a ride in this, honestly. I want to hear it too. Cam's nasty. Dude, look at the tent, yo. God bless. Fast fuel rails. Fast intake. Woo. Yeah, this is a bad bitch right here. So much better than this junk. I know. That's what I was in there looking at. I was like, Jesus, that looks good. Ooh, lush. That is nice.
Bro, what can I do about this right here?
That looks good.
I had a...
Hey.
Watch your feet right there. What's up?
What? Oh, yeah. What, a cigarette?
Nah, he kicked one of them bolts.
Oh.
I got a whole goddamn bucket full right there. It just might take us a minute to find one.
What, just random bolts?
Yeah, just body shop shit.
Yeah, that looks good. Sitting in there. Jesus. Oh my God. So I finally got the first one in. That looks good. Kirby got that one in. We'll see if this, non-mechanic man can put something in them.
Boy, you got a Mustang that's been down for 2 years, so I don't want to hear shit.
Doing what? It ain't even been down that long, bro. You crazy.
Pushing both of them. I want to tighten the
Hold on. Dude, that looks crazy.
Let me get out of the way. I'm tightening this up. I'll get out of the way.
That looks crazy. Oh my God, those lights look so good. Oh, yes. Oh my God, that looks so good. About to hear this thing. Oh no, I'm gonna stay right here. I gotta hear this thing. That fuel pump. Jesus, that right there is. Well, now we got the side markers putting in on the bumper right here. Got one popped in right there. Damn, that black looks really good actually. God, I just can't get over them tail lights.
Fucking around. Fucking around, Sheldon. We got shit to put back together.
Go putting her on in.
Hey, Chris, come over here.
Jeez, it looks so good. Oh my God, it looks so good. Don't get it in there, Bo. There it is. There it is. That's what I'm saying. That looks so good. Oh my God. That looks so good. Oh my God. Golly, these things are so good. That's like really nice. Like, yo, that looks good for real. Oh my God. Kirby's car just looks good too, man. This no picture of his too. Man. And then he's got the snap-on boxes. Yeah, Kirby's spot is the spot. I see a cutout for the lift and everything. We're going in right now on those last ones. He's got a whole cleaning kit.
Don't step on that one. That'd be sick.
What?
If I did step on.
On your light?
Yeah. That's how much.
Horseshoe fighting right here at the end. You got your fucking home.
Kirby over here working that magic, boy.
It's got to be something like that, because hell, it goes to the front right there.
Who's the boss? Mm-hmm.
That looks good. Golly. Got the front whites, red rears, and with the tails. Oh.
Which means they lost. It's actually supposed to have what's on the other side.
Yeah.
It ain't no biggie. Probably putting that lip on it, to be honest.
Yeah.
I bet money that's what it was, because that ain't factory, is it?
Oh, it is not.
That lip across the bottom, that ain't factory.
Oh, but that one it is, yeah.
It is?
The one I linked it is.
Just wondered why they had dog.
Work with it.
I never get my fingers on it. God damn, it hurts. No, I didn't get it either. Still clip.
Shit.
I'll fix that much. Dirty fucking whore.
Pissed off here, man. Start slinging shit, just get out the way.
Hey, we all been there. I'm there almost every damn day.
Where's that hole? Right there?
Right there.
There? Yep. Alright, give me a minute.
There it is. There it is.
Comes my pussy. Hey, pussy.
Well, there it is.
I'll let me tomorrow.
Tail lights, sign markers.
Be safe on your way back.
Hey, I got you, Tim.